For reading today, we are focusing on week 1, day 4. So when you press on the link in the reading assignment, you're going to want to scroll down to day 4. We are focusing on social studies, communities. The fiction book is Giggle Giggle Quack by Doreen Cronin. Remember, a fiction book tells a story and has characters and a setting. For the nonfiction book, we are reading Living on Farms by Alan Fowler. Remember that nonfiction means it is teaching us something and giving us information. Remember, down here there are additional activities that you can complete. And to get to the books and the other activities, you press Take Me There. Once you're here, you can watch the story for Giggle Giggle Quack by pressing here or over here. You can read the book, Living on Farms, by pressing here or over here. Then you can do some word work under Puzzlers by doing the word match. You can think about fact or fiction, which is fiction and nonfiction text, and comparing them by pressing here. And you can do the activity, which came first. If you want to dive deeper, you can explore the web and meet the creators. When you're done, don't forget to press the X and then press the blue turn-in button so I know that you did your reading. When you're finished with that, please read books that you have at your house or go on to Epic Books and read there so that you are practicing your reading. Have fun!